equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. First, unplug your Dyson AM05 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit. This will not only help with the repair but also improve the overall performance of your heater. If you find this task overwhelming, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. With the back cover removed, locate the AC cable connection. You will see where the cable is attached to the circuit board. Carefully disconnect the old cable by unscrewing the terminal screws. Make sure to note the orientation of the wires for reassembly. Next, take your new AC cable and strip the ends of the wires using your wire cutters. Ensure you have enough length to connect to the circuit board. Connect the new cable by securing the wires to the appropriate terminals, following the same orientation as the old cable. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. Once the new cable is securely connected, gently tuck the wires back into the unit and replace the back cover. Align it properly and press it into place. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws to secure the cover. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the back cover, it's time to test your Dyson AM05. Plug it back into the power source and turn it on. Check to ensure that it operates correctly without any issues. If you encounter any problems, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision on how to proceed. In summary, replacing the AC cable on your Dyson AM05 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during your repair. If you feel uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We are here to help you keep your devices running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.